Life in the International Space Station. A glimpse into space exploration. The International Space Station, ISS, stands as a remarkable testament to international cooperation and human ingenuity. Orbiting approximately 408 kilometers above Earth's surface, the ISS serves as a research laboratory and living space for astronauts from different countries. In this article, we will delve into the daily life of astronauts aboard the ISS, exploring their routines, scientific endeavors, and the challenges they face in the unique microgravity environment of space. 1. Living quarters and essential facilities. The ISS is a large, habitable spacecraft that offers astronauts a place to call home while in space. Divided into various modules, it accommodates living quarters, research laboratories, exercise equipment, communication systems, and other essential facilities. Astronauts have individual sleeping quarters, which are small cabins equipped with straps to prevent them from floating around during sleep. 2. Daily routines and health maintenance. Living in space requires meticulous planning and adherence to daily routines. Astronauts follow a strict schedule that includes work, exercise, leisure time, and sleep. To maintain their physical well-being, they exercise for about 2 hours each day using specialized equipment such as treadmills, resistance devices, and a stationary bicycle. Exercise is crucial to counteract the detrimental effects of living in microgravity, such as muscle and bone loss. 3. Nutrition and meal preparation. Food aboard the ISS is specially packaged to ensure longevity and stability in a microgravity environment. Astronauts have a variety of options, including freeze-dried, dehydrated, and rehydratable meals. They also have access to fresh fruits and vegetables, which are delivered periodically by resupply missions. Meal preparation involves rehydrating food packets with water and heating them using onboard equipment. 4. Scientific research and experiments. The ISS serves as a unique platform for conducting scientific research in microgravity conditions. Astronauts participate in a wide range of experiments, including biology, physics, astronomy, and human physiology. These experiments help scientists understand the effects of long-duration space travel on the human body and investigate the possibilities of future space exploration, such as the potential for growing plants and conducting advanced manufacturing in space. 5. Maintenance and repairs. As a complex structure orbiting Earth, the ISS requires regular maintenance and occasional repairs. Astronauts perform spacewalks, or extravehicular activities, EVAs, to conduct repairs, install new equipment, and upgrade systems. These spacewalks are highly demanding and require extensive training to ensure the safety of the astronauts. 6. Communication with Earth. Staying connected with mission control and loved ones on Earth is vital for the mental well-being of astronauts. The ISS is equipped with sophisticated communication systems that allow real-time communication with ground control. Astronauts also have access to email, video conferences, and social media platforms to share their experiences and stay connected with the wider public. 7. Psychological and emotional challenges. Living in the confined quarters of the ISS for extended periods can present psychological challenges for astronauts. They may experience feelings of isolation, homesickness, and the psychological phenomenon known as the overview effect, where they gain a profound appreciation for Earth and a sense of interconnectedness. To support their mental well-being, astronauts receive psychological training and have access to counseling services while on board. 8. Daily life beyond work. Astronauts find time for leisure and personal activities during their stay on the ISS. They can watch movies, read books, listen to music, and even enjoy the breathtaking views of Earth from the cupola module. Some astronauts also engage in outreach activities, sharing their experiences through educational programs and public engagement initiatives. Life on the International Space Station is an extraordinary experience that combines rigorous scientific research, daily routines, and unique challenges. Astronauts aboard the ISS demonstrate resilience, adaptability, and dedication to advancing our understanding of space and the human presence in it. Through their efforts, we gain valuable insights into the possibilities and limitations of long-duration space travel, paving the way for future exploration beyond Earth's boundaries.